Good morning. This is Angela from North Carolina with Jim, our rescue dog that you've all met before. He's our epileptic dog that's doing so well. He has a growth on the right rear haunch. It came with him when he arrived on our doorstep, and it started off about the size of a golf ball, and the vet said it was okay. And that was in July, and so here we are in October, and I can't see it. It's gotten so big, it's almost the size of a tennis ball, and it's real hot and red, and it's made roots with baby growths coming out of it. So this little man's sitting in the car, and he's waiting for his name to be called. So hopefully he's going to be okay. I always worry when they get put to sleep. Hey, sweetie. Hey, Jim. But he loves going in the vet. We got in there, and he almost ripped my shoulders off. I had to use 2 leashes. He was so excited to be there. But he's the best boy. So I sure hope he's not going to be one of the animals that has a reaction to anesthesia. I do know he's had it because he's been neutered. When he was young, obviously. I hope everybody has a beautiful day. It's really pretty here. Real cold, though, for me. It took me a while to figure out how to turn my heat on, but I finally got warm. So hopefully he does well, and I'll be back down here at the vet at 4 o'clock to pick him up. Uh-oh, what you got, buddy? So he's got quite a few little small moles. Oh, there, this thing's sticking out. Look. Can you see it? See how red it's gotten? And he has a hard time sitting down. He has to sit real gingerly to make sure he doesn't hurt it. And you can almost see toward that blue leash, it's got a thing sticking out now that looks like a nipple. So we're real concerned about it. And even if it's benign, we still want our buddy boy to be okay. I wouldn't want to walk around with that hanging off of me, as good looking as I am if I were him. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. And please, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you like my dogs, please subscribe. Do you know that half of the people that watch my videos aren't members of my channel? That's sort of sad, isn't it? Well, take care. Bye-bye. Hey, let's cut it off.